I welcome you everybody to the class of data structure. Today we'll see insertion of a node at a specific position in single linked list. Already in previous classes we have seen insertion of node at the beginning or end of single linked list. So here we are having a node. We want to insert that node at a specific given position in the single linked list. So suppose we are having a node linked list like this, start with numbers of nodes are there, having the addresses 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. So here this one is 2000, this one is 3000, this one is 4000, this one is 5000. Value is suppose 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. So we are having a node. We want to insert this node at the position 2. So here what will happen? So here this node, suppose address is 6000. So here we are having a pointer variable previous, suppose, and this is a pointer variable ptr. So previous contains hold the address of this node, ptr contains the whole address of this node. So previous link, this will contain the address of fresh node, and fresh link, this will hold the address of ptr. What is the value of ptr? That means this one. So now suppose the value is 50. Now this node is inserted at the position 2. So we'll see the program for this. Suppose the node is struct node int info struct node asterisk link void main. We have defined the pointers as a struct node. We have declared the pointers like start pointer, ptr, previous which hold the address of the previous node, and next node address will be held by ptr node, ptr pointer, and another is fresh, which will hold the address of freshly created node. So here the variables, integer variables we require, suppose are int item, location where we want to insert, and another variable I. So first we'll dynamically create a node that fresh is equals to struct node asterisk malloc size of struct node. So here the fresh pointer contains the address of the new node created. So we have to check first, we have to check the fresh value. If fresh equals to null, then but printf insufficient memory, insufficient memory. That is, we have to exit. Else memory is there, so we'll insert the value to that memory block. So printf enter the value and position where the node will be inserted. That means here we want to insert the value to the node and the position where the node is going to be inserted. So scanf %d ampersand item, the variable item we have taken, and ampersand location will insert. After that, so we'll check the location. While location is less than before that we have to initialize the I value. So suppose I equals to 1, then while I less than location and ptr not equals to null. Previous, we have to set previous as ptr, and before that I have missed one thing. So we have to initialize I by 1 and ptr equals to start value. ptr will contain the address of the starting node first. Then if this condition satisfied, previous equals to ptr and ptr equals to ptr link and I++. So after the completion of this loop, we have to check if ptr equals to null. If ptr equals to null, then printf invalid location. ptr equals to null means we have gone out of the linked list, but we couldn't find the particular location. That means the location is invalid. After that, else if ptr equals to start, then phrase link equals to ptr and start equals to phrase. Over. If ptr equals to start, that means we are here. So we want to insert at the position 1. That means phrase equals to link. So phrase link will contain ptr. That means phrase link will contain the address of first node address, and start will contain the phrase address. So start will contain the phrase address. Else, if not, then any other position which is a valid position, but position is not the first position. Else we'll do what? Previous link equals to phrase, and phrase link equals to ptr. Means what? Suppose our location is location at 3, we want to insert. So initially our ptr contains the start value. So here we'll increase that previous equals to ptr and ptr equals to ptr link. That means previous will be here, ptr will be here, and then the I also increased by 1. That means I will be 2. So I will be 2. The 2 is less than 3. Yes, then previous will be ptr. So previous will come here. Previous will come here, and ptr is ptr link. ptr will come here. Then I become 3. So 3 is less than location. No. So we'll come out of this loop, and we want to insert the node here at the position 3. That means previous link. Previous link means this one. This here it will contain the address of newly created node, and the phrase link, that means this value. Here the ptr value, that means 3000 value will come to here. That means it will point to this node. That means this node will come to the location 3. Got it? How the node is going to be inserted at any position given by the user. Thank you. In next class we'll see the others.